Hello guys, welcome to Singh Unboxing. To find you the cheapest MFI certified cable, let's review VOX LINK lightning cable. To stay updated with all the awesome tech we review, hit the subscribe button. VOX LINK is one of the leading brands in consumer electronics, striving to establish a new image for Made in China by providing quality and reliable electronic products for global consumers. At just $3.5, this becomes the cheapest available MFI certified cable. In the box, you get the warranty card and the cable itself. Let's take a look into what quality it serves at this price. Getting it out of the soft plastic pouch, we see 1 meter long cable neatly rolled in a cable holder. Very first impression is that cable seems long enough and it feels to be of decent quality. The tip of USB-A and the lightning cable seems to be of an average plastic quality, but I feel it would be decent for your regular usage. Considering the price point, this is definitely a bang for buck deal. I used this cable for normal charging as well as syncing my iPhone with iTunes on Mac. This worked just fine. At just $3.5, this is definitely a go deal. Go and grab it. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one.